Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by safeguarding your data. Export contacts, Drive, photos, and any app-specific backups so you can restore later. Once finished, go to Settings, Accounts, choose Google, and tap Remove Account to dissociate the ID from this device. Make sure to turn off device protections like Find My Device or activation locks, otherwise removal can be blocked. This first step prevents accidental loss and prepares you for account-level removal, so you won't be locked out of services you still need. You now work on the account itself using a browser. Sign into account. Google. Com to get full controls. Once there, open Security, review your devices, and remotely sign out any devices you no longer control. This severs active sessions. Then move to Data and Privacy and select Delete a Google service or your account to start formal removal. Take time to confirm backups before proceeding, because deletion affects Gmail, Drive, and purchases tied to this ID, so double-check which services you want to keep or export. You complete removal by following the on-screen deletion prompts, verify your identity with two-step methods, and download any final data archive when offered. Once deleted, make sure you update third-party sites and subscriptions that use this Google ID, because logins will break. If removal fails, check recovery options, use recent passwords, device locations, or backup codes to prove ownership, and contact Google support if you still can't remove it. This final check prevents stranded service access and recovers control if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.